Welcome back, fellow creators. Today, we're diving into the world of YouTube tools that can take your content creation game to the next level in 2024. In this video, we'll be introducing you to 5 hidden gems that every creator needs in their arsenal. As content creators, we know the importance of staying ahead of the curve and constantly evolving our strategies to engage our audience. These tools are designed to streamline your workflow, boost your creativity, and ultimately help you stand out in the crowded digital landscape. Whether you're a seasoned creator looking to up your game or a newbie just starting out, these tools are guaranteed to add value to your content creation journey. From optimizing your video SEO to enhancing your editing skills, we've got you covered. So, grab your notepads and get ready to level up your YouTube game. Let's explore these 5 hidden YouTube tools that are sure to revolutionize the way you create content in 2024. Stay tuned, and let's dive in. Be sure and subscribe to affiliate Monarchs for more content like this. Tool 1. Creator Insights. Creator Insights is a powerful tool that offers creators a deep dive into their audience demographics and preferences, providing invaluable analytics to optimize content strategy. By utilizing this tool, creators can gain a comprehensive understanding of who their viewers are, what they like, and how they engage with their content. One of the key features of Creator Insights is the ability to analyze audience demographics, such as age, gender, location, and interests. This data allows creators to tailor their content to better resonate with their target audience, ultimately increasing engagement and retention. Moreover, Creator Insights enables creators to identify trends and patterns in their content performance. By tracking metrics like watch time, click-through rates, and audience retention, creators can pinpoint what is working well and what areas need improvement. This data-driven approach empowers creators to make informed decisions about their content strategy, leading to more impactful and successful videos. In the fast-paced world of YouTube, where trends come and go in the blink of an eye, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. With Creator Insights, creators can harness the power of data to create content that resonates with their audience, drives engagement, and ultimately, achieves their goals. Tool 2. Thumbnail Generator Pro. Thumbnail Generator Pro is a game-changer for creators looking to enhance their video thumbnails and increase click-through rates. This tool simplifies the process of creating eye-catching thumbnails by offering customizable templates and design elements that can make your videos stand out in a crowded feed. With Thumbnail Generator Pro, creators have access to a wide range of templates that can be easily customized to match their branding and style. From vibrant colors to bold text overlays, this tool allows creators to create thumbnails that grab viewers' attention and entice them to click on their videos. When it comes to creating thumbnails that drive engagement, it's essential to choose images that are visually appealing and relevant to the video's content. Thumbnail Generator Pro makes this process seamless, offering design elements that can help convey the essence of the video in a single glance. The impact of thumbnails on video visibility and audience engagement cannot be overstated. A compelling thumbnail can make the difference between a viewer scrolling past your video or clicking to watch it. With Thumbnail Generator Pro, creators can level up their thumbnail game and increase their chances of attracting more viewers and growing their audience. Tool 3. Audio Enhancer Suite. Say goodbye to poor audio quality in your videos with the Audio Enhancer Suite, a tool designed to elevate your content by enhancing audio clarity and optimizing sound. This powerful tool offers creators the ability to improve the overall audio experience of their videos through noise reduction and sound enhancement features. The Audio Enhancer Suite provides a range of features to help creators achieve professional-sounding audio in their videos. From noise reduction tools that eliminate background distractions to sound optimization features that enhance vocal clarity, this tool is a must-have for creators looking to take their audio quality to the next level. When it comes to creating engaging videos, high-quality audio is just as important as stunning visuals. Viewers are more likely to stay engaged and watch your content till the end if the audio is clear, crisp, and free from distractions. With the Audio Enhancer Suite, creators can ensure that their videos sound as good as they look, ultimately enhancing the overall viewing experience for their audience. Are you enjoying this educational content? Be sure to like and subscribe. Tool 4. Collaboration Hub. Introducing the Collaboration Hub, a revolutionary tool that fosters collaboration among creators for cross-promotion and content partnerships. This innovative platform connects creators with similar audiences, providing a space for mutual growth and expanding reach through strategic collaborations. The Collaboration Hub offers creators the opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals who share their passion for creating engaging content. By partnering with other creators, you can tap into new audiences, increase engagement, and ultimately grow your channel in ways you never thought possible. Collaborating with other creators not only expands your reach but also brings fresh perspectives and ideas to your content. By leveraging the Collaboration Hub, creators can unlock new opportunities for creative partnerships, cross-promotion, and audience engagement, ultimately leading to a more dynamic and diverse content portfolio. Building a supportive creator community is essential for long-term success on YouTube. The Collaboration Hub provides a platform for creators to come together, share insights, and collaborate on projects that benefit everyone involved. By fostering a spirit of collaboration and community, creators can create a network of support that propels their channels to new heights. Tool 5. Trend Tracker Pro. Stay ahead of the curve with Trend Tracker Pro, a cutting-edge tool that monitors YouTube trends and provides valuable insights to help creators capitalize on popular topics. This tool is a game-changer for creators looking to create relevant and engaging content that resonates with their audience. Trend Tracker Pro empowers creators to stay informed about the latest trends and topics that are capturing the attention of viewers. By analyzing trending keywords, topics, and video formats, creators can identify opportunities to create content that is timely, relevant, and likely to attract a larger audience. Successful creators understand the importance of adapting their content strategy to current trends. Trend Tracker Pro makes this process seamless by offering suggestions for content ideas inspired by trending topics. By leveraging these insights, creators can create videos that are not only aligned with what viewers are searching for but also have the potential to go viral. By incorporating Trend Tracker Pro into their workflow, creators can unlock a world of possibilities for creating content that resonates with their audience, drives engagement, and ultimately boosts visibility on the platform. Don't miss out on the opportunity to stay ahead of trends and take your content to the next level with Trend Tracker Pro. In conclusion, we've explored 5 hidden YouTube tools that are essential for creators looking to elevate their content creation game and achieve success on the platform. From Creator Insights to Thumbnail Generator Pro, Audio Enhancer Suite, Collaboration Hub, and Trend Tracker Pro, each tool offers unique features and benefits that can help creators enhance their content quality, engage their audience, and ultimately grow their channel. By leveraging these tools, creators can gain valuable insights into their audience demographics, create eye-catching thumbnails, improve audio quality, collaborate with other creators, and stay ahead of trends. These tools not only streamline the content creation process but also provide creators with the tools they need to stand out in the competitive landscape of YouTube. We encourage you to explore and try out these featured tools to see how they can transform your content creation journey. Click on the links in the description to get started on YouTube today. Don't hesitate to take advantage of these resources to unlock new opportunities for growth and success on YouTube. And remember, your support means the world to us, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help us continue our mission of empowering creators like you. Thank you for watching.